Strip screws used to be an insurmountable obstacle in maintenance scenarios. Today, the LUOWEI-331 high-hardness alloy drill bit from LUOWEI is set to completely change this situation. We have customized exclusive solutions for different stages. One set of drill bits is responsible for precisely drilling holes in strip screws, while the other set specializes in screw extraction. This division of labor and collaboration design enables the efficiency of the entire maintenance process to increase exponentially. Even users with no maintenance experience can achieve beginner-friendly operation with the LUOWEI-331.